My name's Lynnes. I'm a welding instructor here at Lynnes Welding Training. I have been in the Army National Guard, currently serving 8 years and plan on doing a full 20-year. I was inspired to join the National Guard because number one, I wanted to serve my country, and number two, I wanted to help other people out in achieving goals. Being a leader in the National Guard has really helped me as an instructor, leading people to succeed in their lives through different skill sets. Number one being welding industry. Here at Lynnes Welding Training, we usually do a bigger event on Veterans Day, inviting former students and even ones that haven't came here just to see our school and see what we're about and provide them some gifts and certain things like that. What makes me most proud to be part of the North Dakota National Guard is the camaraderie that's involved here in this state, and just the open arms that we get from the community about our service. The thing that makes me most proud about being an instructor at Lynnes Welding Training is being able to teach somebody a new skill set and to further their careers, and in the end ultimately change their lives for the better. Placement for our veterans is usually pretty easy because of the fact of the type of people that they are, being very reliable, hardworking, driven, and want to succeed in their careers. So having a lot of options with employers coming in and talk to them, they definitely are able to land a job fairly quickly after graduating our course. Anytime I get the chance to work with veterans here at the school, it's always a great experience. They're very welcoming to the fact of someone teaching them a new career, and it just becomes very natural for the both of us.